Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create my home screen that I have here. I've had a couple comments in my recent videos asking me to make a video like this, showing you guys how to create my home screen. It's actually very, very easy. I'll have a link over to where you guys can get this photo background that you need, like the white and black split. That's the main thing that you guys will need. And then I'll show you guys how to create the widgets that I have here. It's actually very, very easy to set up. Now, the only application that you need from the App Store is an app called Color Widgets. So if you just go over to your App Store, click on the App Store and just search for Color Widgets, just go ahead and download this application right here. It's very, very popular now since we have iOS 14. But once you have the color widgets, you guys can go ahead and download that. And then all we're going to need to do here is we're going to go open up the color widgets application. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Open that up, and then what you guys want to do here, the one I chose is the top one right here, the active widget with the white. But you guys can just choose what you would like here font-wise. Once you find the font and stuff that you like, you just want to click on it, and then click on Edit Widget. And then here you want to go down and just click on the light theme. So now you guys see, depending on what other colors you want, I did white and gray, but you can do white and blue or whatever else you want. But just make sure that you're on the light theme there so it gives it that white background. And then you can choose through here what you want color-wise for your fonts and stuff like that. Very easy though. I just did gray, so you guys can just go to gray if you want to do gray. And then another choice that you guys can make for yourselves is the font that you guys want. Now I use the this font right here, like this cursive font, but you guys can scroll through here and choose what fonts you like. There's lots of great looking ones that you guys can choose from, but let's just say we want to do this one right here. Then you can scroll down here, and if you want to add any background photos, I didn't for mine. I just left it white, so it looks really good with the white and black theme, but we could leave it at that. Yeah, so after we're done that, we can click on Set Widget, and then that will save the widget that we have there. We can then back out and back out of here. Now what we want to do here is we want to long press on any application that we have, click on Edit Home Screen, add the plus button, and then we want to scroll down here and just click on the Color Widgets application. Then we want to go to the medium size widget, as we want the medium size for our home screen here. Then we want to click on Add Widget, and there we have the widget for our top now. Now what we want to do is we want to add the stocks application, and we want to add fitness, which is what I have going on my screen. So what we're going to do for that is we're going to long press on any application, click on Edit Widget, or sorry, we're going to click on Edit Home Screen, go to the plus option at the top left, scroll down, and we're going to find the stocks application here. Click on stocks, and then we're going to click on this small size right here, click on Add Widget, and then we're going to scroll this widget down under that, just like this. So now we have our top color widgets at the top, and then we have stocks right there, and then our applications will start going on the right side in the white section. We click on Done there, and then we want to long press on the stocks, click on Edit Home Screen, click on the plus icon, and then we want to scroll down. We want to find the fitness application. Click on Fitness. We want to do the small size so it fits in that black section really well. So we're going to click on Add Widget, and then we're going to move our top widget to the top again, our stocks widget to the side here, and then the fitness widget to the bottom, just so we can control and we can keep the clocks application up here, just like this. Perfect. So once we're done doing that, we click on Done. And now all you guys really have to do is you just have to fill in your applications that you want on your home screen here. So as you guys can see on mine, I have the apps I use the most. So Photos, Oculus, the Live cameras, and then my investing, business, and finances folders and stuff like that. But yeah, that is how I set up my home screen on iOS 14. Like I said, I'll have the link over for you guys can get this background in the description as well as in the comment section. But I really hope I was able to help you guys out. If you guys want me to show you more custom home screens that I have, just let me know down below, and I'll be happy to make more videos like this or like a top 5 video. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.